Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nagina, and today I'm going to take you to one of the most famous resorts in the world, Atlantis, right here on Paradise Island in the Bahamas. Even if you're not staying here overnight, you can always get a day pass, and trust me, there is a lot to do. I have seen a lot of cruise ships around this area where people get a day pass and spend their day over here. Water parks, beaches, marine life, food, it's just amazing. It's like a mini tropical universe. There is tons of other resorts on oceanfront as well. As you can see on my left-hand side, this colorful building. This is Margaretville Beach Resort. That's another option to stay. And I believe they have a beautiful water park too, like a lot of adventure as well. As we were heading towards Atlantis, we saw this area. It's called Marina Village. You have tons of shopping options and also restaurants. You can grab lunch, grilled fish tacos. There's a lot of like popular places there. This is inside of the resort. It's Atlantis. I'm gonna throw some pictures for you to look. So when we went down these steps, we found out under hotel there is a giant aquarium. They have sharks, rays, and tropical fish everywhere. Seriously, it's so cool. You'll feel like you're in another world. It was amazing. Like all these fish and marine life, it's just amazing. So after that, we had some lunch and then we headed to the beach. Look at this beach, white sand, clear blue water. It's total paradise. It was a perfect sunny day, so I thought, time to take some photos. I'm gonna throw some in here for you to take a look. We had some drinks, and this is a real cool drink actually, coconut water. I really enjoyed it. It was a very nice stroll around this area. It's just beautiful. People were snorkeling too. I did not get a chance to actually snorkel in there. I don't know like how much fish you would be able to see. But overall, it was a very nice experience. And just like that, the day flew by. I would say Atlantis is one of those places that really has everything. Can't believe how much we packed into one day. And honestly, I would do it again in a heartbeat. This was a perfect place to wrap up our day. This place is called Fish Fry. It's a little strip of restaurants. Enjoying my Caribbean food. And this is it, guys. Look at this beautiful sunset. So this is it for today. I will see you in my next video. Stay tuned. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.